Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Elizabeth Show, and here is Grow with this channel. And I'm really grateful that you have clicked on my video to watch it again. Thanks to all my returning subscribers, and for those who are just coming across my video for the first time or seeing my face on their screen for the first time, you are so much welcome to my channel. I'm really hoping that you get to watch this to the end so you get to hear and see what I have to say. Now, today's topic, I'm going to be talking about how to remove copyright claim from your videos. Copyright claim is quite different from copyright strike. Today's video is going to be focusing on copyright claim and how to remove it. Now, before now, when I started, creating content, I make a post, either a short video or a long form content, and then I go back to check my analytics, and then I see that somewhere is there's this copyright tag somewhere on the video. I usually used to freak out before now. I used to freak out. I won't lie to you. I just, I'm like, okay, what's this about? Then I go ahead and read what it's about and discover that there's a content in the video that is making that video to be tagged as copyright, right? But with experience, I have been able to learn how to remove copyright claims from my videos. It is very easy. It's not difficult. Now, there's a video, let me tell you a short story. One day, I was live streaming, not on this channel, my other DIY channel. I was live streaming. I attended my church leaders party, right? That was December last year. I was live streaming, and during the section, like the the church choir, like church music ministers, they sang different songs, and all that were captured in the live stream. At some other points, they actually did play some music that I know will actually get the copyright strike. Sorry, copyright claim. So I went on to even mute whenever they start playing those interludes. I go on to mute the video so that it's not, it's not captured, the audio is not captured in the video. But to my greatest surprise, when I finally went on to, upload that content, like when I was done live streaming after 4 hours, I went on to upload that content, and I had about 12 copyright claims. I was surprised because, like I said, I had mute every time that I were going to play a music, like a normal recorded music. I would just go ahead and just mute the live stream so that that part does not get into the live stream. So in my mind, okay, that's the one that can be copy that can have copyright claim. Little did I know that even the ones that the music ministers actually did on stage could also get a copyright claim. I was surprised because I had 12 copyright claims. When I saw it this time around, I didn't get to freak out because I have had experience already, so I know how to remove copyright claim. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to, remove copyright claims from your video. You don't have to freak out when you see, so long as it's not a strike. So long as it's not a strike. Now, when you get a copyright strike, YouTube will send you an email. This one, they don't usually send you any email unless the video maybe gets a copyright claim that blocks the video from getting viewed in some countries. Then they will send you an email. But for a normal, like, just you don't have any blockage or anything, they just send just see in your analytics that you have a copyright claim on that video. Now this is how to remove the copyright claim from your video. I'm going to be showing you the interface of my phone because I recorded that. So please just watch. And if you have any issue as regards copyright claim, do well to practice with this video to remove your own copyright claim. So you're going to be doing this from your YouTube studio, not the app, but from the browser. So you're going to open your browser and then you're going to type in YouTube Studio Desktop so that you can get the desktop format where you can easily do this from. You don't want to do it from your app. So I'll just zoom this in so that you see the one that has copyright. That particular live stream gave me 5,000 views and I had a copyright on it. When you get here, you're going to click on the particular one you want to, remove a copyright claim from. And when you have the copyright, you click on that, you will see that pop up, see details. Click on that, see details. It will bring you to the copyright where you have all the copyrights, or even if it's just one. Then you click on the particular one you want to begin with. I had 12, remember, so I clicked on that first one, and then I have like four different options there. I clicked on erase song. I want to erase the song from that particular video. I don't want it there. So when I click on that, it will open up and then give me these two extra options to mute all sounds in that particular song or erase it completely. So I clicked on mute sound for that particular option, and I went on to click on it. It's now going to show me this pop-up telling me that it will take a while for this to be done. So while you wait for it to get to process and be removed, you just can just go about doing other things. Now you come back like, let's say, 20 minutes later to check. When you come back to check, you click on that same copyright place and do see details again, and then the same process you have done for the first video, you will repeat same for every other video, for every other copyright claim that is on the video. You go ahead and either erase the song or replace it or mute it, or whatever option you want to take. Even dispute, but I don't like to use dispute because I don't have a right to any of the songs, right? So I don't use dispute. I just go ahead and either use erase, replace, or whatever options that are there and are available for me aside dispute, because I cannot dispute it. But you can actually dispute if you have a right to the song. So it is this simple to remove a copyright claim. It's not hard at all. I came and it took me, I think, a full day, 1 day plus, to get all of the copyright claim removed for all from the video, like the 12 copyright claim. It took me a day plus to do that because I had to wait like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, check back again, and then I was able to remove everything from the copyrighted what's it called, video. And by the time I was done, the copyright claim was no longer there. It wasn't there anymore. And like, my video was free. I had my views restored. I'm hoping that was simple for you to understand, and I'm hoping that that will help. This video is going to help you solve any copyright claim that you have. Please don't freak out when you have a copyright claim. Even when you have a copyright strike, you are going to be you're going to be you will send an email, and you might have to YouTube might have, okay. Please don't freak out when you get a copyright claim. It's not a death sentence on YouTube. No, it shouldn't even make you. Okay. Please don't freak out when you see a copyright claim. Now you've seen this video, I'm really hoping that you now know what to do. So rather than freaking out like I used to do before, just go ahead and practice all that I've said in this video and get yours also resolved. It's really easy, so don't forget to practice and come give me a feedback later when you have done that. All right, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like, leave a share. Tell your family and friends about this channel. See you in my next video. All right, bye.